Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to turn off AI overview in Google Chrome search. Friends, if you want to turn off AI overview on Google Chrome search, then you need to open Chrome browser. Now here you can see it is showing AI overview over the search result. So if you want to turn off AI overview, then you need to click on three dots. Now here click on settings. In settings, click on search engine. Now here click on manage search engine. Now scroll it little down and here inside search click on add. In search engine enter Google Web. In shortcut you need to enter @web. Now here you need to paste the URL. I will give this URL in the description of the video so you can copy from there. Now press on add. Now here you will find this line. Click on the three dots. Now select make default. Now you need to close it. Now if you again search in the Google search, now it has shown the search results instead of showing AI overview before the search results. So friends, like this you can very easily turn off AI overview in Google Chrome search. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.